Hello! To set up your Xiaomi Poco X7 as remote controller, first of all you have to go into this application called Mi Remote, and in case you don't have this application, you have to go into Play Store, search for Mi Remote and simply download this application right here. As you do this, you have to open the application and press Add Remote button. And now you have to select the type of device you want to configure using the... you want to configure basically, yeah. So in my case that will be TV. And now you have to select the brand of your device. In my case that will be TV, and also in my case that's LG brand. And now you have to make sure that your TV is on. So let me turn on my TV right now. Alright, the TV is turning on, so let's press this button that it is on. And now you have to point the IR blaster at the TV and tap the buttons to make sure that the TV responds. And right now we will be checking which configuration will be good for my TV. So let me just grab my phone and try to control the TV. This one doesn't work, so right now we have to press that the volume doesn't go up, press no. And here is the different configuration right now, so let's check that again if this one would work with my TV. And yes, it did work, the volume did go up on my TV. So that's the correct configuration for my TV. So let's press yes, the volume goes up. And right now you simply have to, you can change the name of your device, you can set at which room you have it. It's not necessary though. And you can select if you want to add shortcut to your home screen. And as you do this, you simply press this button paired. And as you can see, the remote has been added successfully. In the home screen, as you can see here, we have this shortcut for the TV, and it's just like this. Let me now turn on my TV using this phone. Let's see. Alright, it turned off. So yeah, basically that's it. That's how to set up your Xiaomi Poco X7 as remote. Thank you for watching.